Another old classic home. But this one here now, they rent and sell bicycles. And let me tell you, it's not cheap. 1 hour for 40 bucks US. No, thank you. Hello, hello, hello from Mexico. I'm on Paseo de Montejo in Merida, Yucatan. I rented myself a bike, and this bike ride is brought to you by the letter N. And I'm going to look for my wife. She's somewhere down there walking, and she says she's tired of walking. So I found this cool place that rents bikes. So I rented a bike, 70 pesos, 1 hour, and I am cruising, man. I like it. Push on my hat some more so don't fall off. This is so much fun. I love it. I should have asked the guy to raise the seat a little higher. It gets a little hard on the legs. I didn't think about it. But this is cool. They said that here, every day, you can rent a bike and you can cruise here on the green path. Let me turn the camera around so you can see. You can cruise on this green path every single day. And on Sundays, they close down the whole road for several hours a day, and the whole city comes out and rides bikes over here. So I came to pick you up. I came to say, where are you, Maria? I rented a bike back there. 70 pesos an hour.
Wow.
Yeah, not bad.
Nice.
I should have.
Someone there?
Yeah, that's for.
I think that's for a little kid.
No. They said that's for 2 adults. The seat don't go higher. Yeah, that's for you to sit. You even have a seat belt if you're scared.
No, I'm not scared. Oh my God. Okay, so.
Okay, let me go up. Let me go up here because it's a little low, the seat.
She's from Canada.
Oh, really? Yeah, let me get mine out. Oops, So this is fun. Got this bike for 1 hour. I'm gonna ride down to Oxo, buy myself a Coke. Yeah, look at the big old mansion across the street there. That's where people live. Can you imagine people lived in that? They must have been so rich back in the days. Of course, they didn't pay much labor because pretty much everybody who worked for them was slaves, right? So you did save a lot of money that way. But what houses? Yeah, we're ready. Oh yeah, that's what he said. It's for 2 adults.
Okay, just let me.
Yeah. Just watch the chain with your clothes and your feet and.
Yeah, I'll tell you when I'm ready.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know where to put my foot down.
That I don't know. I don't think they have that plan. Yeah, maybe you gotta tuck your skirt like between your legs and sit on it or something, yeah?
That's what I'm doing.
We're ready for a bike ride, guys. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah. You just, I'll go slow. Yeah, you gotta probably hang your feet out or something. It's a little bit low.
I'm gonna be mooning people. I think I'm mooning people.
Ay, ay, ay. It's a little bit low, the seat for me, but this is cool. This is pretty good. Cruising Paseo Montejo. Oh boy, here comes another ramp. Yeah. He says, the guy who rented this, he says on Sundays they close down the road. And it's bicycle day for everybody. He says it's just crazy. Crazy. Hundreds of people, he said, everybody riding bikes. Others bring their own bicycles. So this is fun. Yep. Here, grab the camera and do some filming.
Yeah, I guess I can do that.
Here. Here.
For you or for me?
For me.
Okay, there we go.
Here we go, guys. Look at this. This is welcome to Mexico. Cruising along. I love this. I love this. This is so much fun.
I hope I don't fall and I'm not many people here.
I saw the sign. It said 70, and I thought $70 US? No way. So I went to ask the guy. I said, that because for one person it's 40. For one person it's 40. For two it's 70, right? So I said, is that 40 pesos? He said, yeah. I say, okay, perfect. No, we have the right of way. We're bikes. I know.
I hope I'm not really here because I'm feeling a little cold down here.
Ay, ay, ay.
A little breeze down there.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is cool. Hello. Fine, thank you. But he loves all this craziness. And he's hot.
And also, I can get my Coke.
Oh, yeah. I feel it's so water.
Yeah.
I'll stay with the bike and
Uh-huh.
let me know when there's a bomb.
Okay, there was a bump. It's hard to go around corners with this thing.
Walk around there.
No, because we got across the street there.
Please don't stop.
No. All right.
Oh my God, I should have had that.
Yeah, we didn't know. We didn't know. Yeah. All right.
Okay, let me get down here. I think I have crashed already. Oh my God, I've been holding on so hard here.
It's been really hard.
I'm gonna go fly. Wait, hold this. I'm falling.
Actually, you could just stay sitting there.
Yeah, but I am rolling down.
Welcome to Mexico,
Wait,
guys.
Go higher, this way.
This is fun.
God.
I'll
Okay.
go get a Coke and a water, and I'll be back. I ran out of gas, so I had to stop off here at Oxxo. Maria wanted water. I needed Coke. And welcome to Mexico. And this bike ride is brought to you by the letter Nye. The letter Nye. That's what's giving you this bike ride.
Hey,
Nye is sponsored. Nye. Yeah. Like from Señor. Nye.
Señorita.
Señorita. Nye. That's your Spanish lesson of the day.
Niña.
Now let's get back on this bike ride as soon as we finish this Coke. Nye. Well, after that nice Coca-Cola break, we are on the road again, cruising Paseo Montejo. Look at that. That guy there, he's on the wrong place. He's gonna get run over. Or maybe he just...
He did not want to wait for you.
Yeah, he's just trying to get by us. Maybe that's what it is. There's that nice house with the tower. Look at that. This is so much fun. Here comes a bump. Hold on.
There's a bike coming also.
Behind me?
Yeah, here on the side, on the left side. There you go.
Yeah, I see him. I saw a shadow, so I pulled over on the side.
I'm showing too much.
Ow. Look at the other nice house there. I was walking over on that side in another video. Now I'm over on this side here. That was me. That was me. This is fun. Yeah. Look at that. And I gotta go all the way to the traffic light and then head back. Look at that house over there, guys. Yeah, they have some function. Oh wow, it is abandoned. Look at that. That is nice. Welcome to Mexico, guys. Riding our bikes down Paseo Montejo in Merida, Yucatan. Look there, there's another amazing house. Look at that. Oh wow. This is so much fun.
You are doing the rock pedaling and I am so tired because I am so scared.
It's actually not that hard. Bump. They're just little bumps. I'll probably get cramps tonight. Oh look there, that's where Izzy cable television. Yeah, but you see there, Izzy? They're the ones who supply cable TV here in Mexico to most of the city. Yeah, I'm gonna cross here back over to the other side. Once we have a light to go. Some big building here. Looks like a hotel or something.
Guys, I am so scared.
Okay, here we go. Hey. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Yeah, we made it. We made it. We made it, guys. We got over the street. Now it's a 30-minute bike ride back to the rental agency. Here comes the bump again. You saw the, saw the modern Starbucks. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this bike ride. Coming to you from Mexico. We are in the city of Merida, Yucatan. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash a like, and please write us a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. All yours.